Hillbilly Nitro, back at it again. The Walk and Talk, episode 17. Let's get to it. That's what we got going on today, guys. Lionsteel. This is my first time with one of these knives. I've never had one in my hands. I've seen pictures of them, and I'll tell you, I watched a few videos on these knives, and they look pretty cool. May have to get one into the collection at some point. This one is not mine, so we're just taking a gander at it, as they say here in Tennessee. Let's open this little lady up and see what we got going on. It's packaged up good. I'm struggling. There's product, receipt. We file those in the trash can. There's papers, box. There we go. Cool. You guys ready for this one? I am. I want to see one of these babies. Oops, I bumped the camera. Sorry about that. Let's check one. We don't need that anymore. There we go. Lionsteel. There's our number. From what I understand, he had this one on reserve. It just popped up. I don't want to cut his box, so rip it or tear it or anything. Let's see if we can just get it to open up like this. Fold opens. There we are. Man, this is nice. Sweet. Look at that. Very cool. I believe this is a Gabon Ebony. Come on now, focus. We have got to get a new camera on the project here. Let's see what it does. First time for me ever opening one of these up. Sweet. That pull is about a 6. Feels great too. Very just crystal smooth. Crystal smooth. Yeah, man, that feels good. There she is, guys. M390 on the blade steel. Let's check those. Get it to focus here. Just over 2 1/4 on the cutting edge. About 3 1/4 total. For you folks over there in England. There's centimeters. Total. Just over about 6.5 inches total length on it. Check that centering out. Looks like she's on. Let me take a look. Yep, on the money. Perfect centering. There's a nice knife right there. I really like that. May have to get me one of these. I like that sheep's foot. Check that sheep's foot out, and got the cut swedge in there. Very nice. Nice etching there. You can feel that with your fingers. A little deep. I'll just polish that off very easy. It's a nice knife. I may have to get me one of these at some point. when I get the funds. Very nice. Look around. And by the way, got a special one coming in tomorrow. We have some Northwoods Mammoth Ivory coming in. You won't want to miss that. That's a nice knife, man. Very nice. Sweet. Really don't know what much more to say about it because I really don't know much about these. I'm gonna have to investigate some more. I really like this one. I believe that's gonna wrap it up, guys. So keep an eye out for me tomorrow. Should be a Northwoods dropping tomorrow. Got to get those my case 1978 red letters. Got to get those on video too for you guys. So keep an eye out, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Ebony is over and out of here. Thanks for tuning in.